Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to resequence the invoice in Odoo version 14. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 14 community edition which I am accessing from my local instance, and I have already installed the modules like sales and invoicing. So there might be some case where we have to reset the sequence of the invoice. So by default, Odoo generate the sequence based on like INV 2020/1. So there might be some case where you have to change the sequence of the invoice. So if I go to the customers and then to the invoices, you can see I have already changed. For the testing purpose, I have changed the sequence number. So let's see how we can do that. So first of all, to resequence the invoice, what you have to do is that you have to activate the debug mode in the database. So to activate the debug mode, you can go to the settings, and if you scroll down, you can see the option to activate the debug mode. So you can simply click on the activate the developer mode. So once the debug mode is activated, you can go to the settings and then to the users form view and open the corresponding user which is you have logged in. So in my case I am Mitchell admin, so I'll be logging in, and we have to enable the full accounting feature for this user, that is show full accounting feature. So here you can see I have already enabled this one, and simply you have to click on save button and just reload the screen. So once you activate the full accounting feature for the user, you can go to the invoicing and then to the customers, then to the invoice, and you can select the invoice from the tree view, and if you go to the action button, you can see the option called resequence. So right now, before changing the resequence, right now if I create a new invoice, I'll be choosing my customer Assure Interior and GST treatment as unregistered because I have installed the Indian localization. That's why this GST treatment is visible here, and I'll be adding a few products to the lines, that is two products. So I have added few products to the lines, and the sequence will be generated on clicking on the confirm button. So if you go back to the tree view, and here you can see the last sequence that is generated is in 2020/9. So I'll be opening the new one, and if I click on the confirm button, you can see the new sequence has been in 2020 and 10. So let's take a case where we have to change the sequence number to like 001 002, like that. We don't want in and the year 2020. So let's see how we can change to only blank number. So in that case, you can come here and select the records, click on action buttons, resequence, and enter it here like 001. I need 4 digits and then 1, and you can see click on keep the current order. There is two option, whether it has to be resequenced based on the current order or based on the accounting date. So I'll be choosing the current order, and I'll be clicking on confirm. So once you click on confirm, you can see the sequence has been changed to 001 002 up to 7, and if I create a new sequence, it will be coming as 0008. So let's see how it is coming. So I'll be creating one more invoice, and I'll be adding a product to the line, and I'll be clicking on save button, and if I click on confirm, you can see the sequence has been generated to 008. So this is how you can resequence an invoice in Odoo version 14. So in previous versions, we have inside the journal we have a sequence. So if you go to the journals, you will not see the sequence again. So initially in the previous version, you will have a sequence here. So simply you can click and open the sequence and you can change, but this is a change introduced in Odoo version 14. So what you have to do, you have to go to the tree view, select the records, click on resequence option to reset the invoice sequence. So that's all about this video. If you like the video, please do click the like button and subscribe the channel so that you will be getting notified regarding all the upcoming updates and tips in Odoo. So that's it. Have a nice day. Thank you.